this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two videos together on your computer or laptop. So you can see right here that I have all of these different videos, and I'm going to show you how we can combine these into one single video clip. So we can actually do this without needing to download anything onto our computer. So all we're going to do is open up an internet browser, and then from a search engine, go and type in CapCut Online and press enter. You can then scroll down to this free online video editor, click on this, and we can then press try online. Now this tool will allow us to combine our videos straight from the internet browser. So I'm just going to click on this button to upload my videos, and then you need to go and upload the videos that you want to combine together. So I'm going to upload this one here, and if you get this pop-up, just press continue uploading. Over in the top left hand side, click on the upload button again and click on upload file, and then you can just go and upload your second video clip. So now all you need to do is go and wait for these videos to finish uploading. Once they've finished uploading, you can simply drag them over to the timeline at the bottom down here, and you need to make sure you add them in the order that you want them played in your single video. So now that I've added my first video, I'm going to drag my second video onto the timeline like this. And once you've added all of your videos, you can also edit the videos by using these left-hand tools. But to go and save this onto your computer, just press export in the top right-hand side, and you'll need to make sure you're signed into an account before you can go and export this. And then we can just scroll down and click on download. Then go and click on the export button, and just like that, this is going to download this as a single video onto our computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.